Hello guys! Welcome to the Mickey Draws channel. Today we will draw and color a very cute cat. Let's get started. First, let's draw the shape of the head. Then we give it a mustache, and we draw the ears. Don't forget to draw the eyes, guys. Then draw the nose and mouth, too. After that, we draw the body and 4 legs. And for the last one, we draw the tail. And the final step, we will thicken the lines using a larger marker so that they are more visible. And now let's give it color. We give red color to the nose, mouth, and ears. Then we give the tail pink. We give yellow color to the whole body and also the cat's feet. Finally, we give orange color to the face, and our painting is almost finished. Wow, this looks really amazing. And our painting is finished.